YouTube here. I'm going to show you how to make a mountain. This is from NW Teacher's channel. I'm just going to give you another bit. So give all the credit to this guy. He really did a good job. Alright, but here we go. This isn't the style of newspaper I use. I was too lazy to go out in my garage to get some more. What you do is just take the corner and just make these little sounds. And just going like that. And this is what you come out with. Nice and sturdy. Might want to pack it in there a little bit more. Get it even firmer. Gives it a nice smooth finish. Rough. Comes apart. You just gotta keep winding it up. If it comes apart. Let me try to come up with some other FAQs you might have. Right? So that's what it comes out to be. Like I said, you want to use a standard newspaper. I'm just using stuff that we had in my living room. It was leftover. Tiny saver. So yeah, you want to use the 4 style newspaper, the big style, the wider, and that's what I've been using. Hold on a sec, let me show you what the finished product looks like. Oh, and you will also want to use this stuff called plaster cloth. That you just keep stacking these up here. I can actually show you what you do. Just keep making these little balls. Helmets type things. This one is way uneven, but I think it'll work. Just keep stacking them on top of each other. Gotta make them fit. These won't really work. And you just keep making a hill out of it. Worked really well, like I said, really sturdy, really great idea. I don't know where he got it from, but it's a really great idea just to just keep stacking on top of each other. Make sure you don't go like this. Make sure you just don't crumble it up. That won't give it a sturdy finish. It's just a crumbled piece of paper. Don't know how to use that. So do the habits. They're way easier. Look, there it is. Just like that. And let me show you what the hill really should look like. So here's what it really should look like. Here's what the hill's gonna end up looking like when you're done. Unpainted. This isn't painted. I plaster clothed it. You can get the plaster cloth at your nearest craft store. AC Moore, etc. Anything like that. That's a finished product. Thank you.